I will never underestimate asbestos again after learning just how common and dangerous it still is. If you're responsible for safety, this is one course you can't ignore. Here's why. Asbestos remains a real risk in buildings across the UK, even today. If you're a safety manager, site supervisor, or anyone who works in maintenance, construction, or property management, asbestos awareness isn't just important, it's critical. LearnQ's Asbestos Awareness course is designed to help you and your team identify asbestos, understand its risks, and learn how to respond safely. The course covers the essentials: what asbestos is, where it's found, why it's dangerous, and how to stay compliant with UK regulations. No jargon, just practical insights you can use immediately. So what's in it for you? Completing this course boosts your compliance, helps protect your workforce, and reduces the risk of costly legal issues. It's CPD certified, fully online, and can be completed at your own pace, so no need to disrupt your schedule. Why choose LearnQ? Our training is trusted by organizations across the UK, with clear, up-to-date content and expert support whenever you need it. Track progress, download certificates instantly, and give your team the confidence to manage asbestos risks safely. Don't leave safety to chance. Take the next step. Enroll in the Asbestos Awareness course from LearnQ today. Because when it comes to asbestos, what you don't know really can hurt you.